And the microphone's over here.
Okay, class. I'm teaching you how to use the whiteboard.
Da, da, da.
This meeting ID is not valid. I tried.
It's cock and ball torture.
For capital O, lowercase c, lowercase k, capital D, lowercase b. Wait. They're almost spelling cock right there. O-C-K. Wait, I got it. It's after B.
Okay, I unsaved it. Oh, nope, cancel. What? Saved. Fuck. Okay.
Greg, what happened to you?
What the Are you doing the background thing?
What's up?
Yo, are you in Hawaii?
Yeah.
California?
I'm liking it.
We out here, we picking it up.
Yo, Brady, check my background.
What the fuck?
Wait.
What?
I like that one.
You can add a video as your background?
Wait, no shit?
At least that's what it looks like it's saying. Oh my god, I can use my YouTube videos as my background.
Wait, how did you do that? Oh, I see.
Why is it mirrored? No, I don't want it mirrored.
Let's see how he's doing.
Wait, why aren't you on web? You're on Neopets? Go to WebKids.
I don't have my WebKids thing. Look, he's dying.
Wait, you're still on Neopets?
Of course.
This is not it. That's a great back. Oh, it didn't even show up all the way. Maybe show up too. There we go.
Nom 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 nom.
Aw, Sonic, you're so cute. Wait a minute.
I know. Alright, and now it's off to the gambling hut.
Hey, I'm no longer doing the background thing, so I got my whole hands. Hold on. Yeah. This meeting is adjourned. Oh.